The Rapid project will save lives. It delivers an early warning system to detect critical deterioration in transport system infrastructure and minimize disruption and delays to critical supply chains by combining and extending drone technology. Rapid also reduces time, costs, and greenhouse gas emissions. The second step of Rapid methodology is the mission planning. To optimize the mission safety, Rapid is developing a software for automatic generation of survey plans. The risk profile is evaluated against real-time and expected conditions coming from the port digital twin and the exhaustive simulator evaluation. For example, a change in wind speed and direction can drastically reduce the flight endurance, requiring earlier than scheduled return to the unmanned surface vehicles for energy recharge. This kind of situations are detected in advance and avoided to adapt the flight plan. Rapid will generate data to improve performance prediction and test case generation and virtualize the risk of failure. The real-world evaluation data will also help to reduce uncertainty in drone flights.